Hello and welcome. Today we are unboxing the Oppo F15. The variant that we have with us comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Let's see what you get in the box. The Oppo F15 sports a 48 megapixel quad camera setup, supports VOOC 3.0 flash charging, rocks an in-display fingerprint sensor, and a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display. Inside the box, the first thing you see is the documentation envelope, followed by the smartphone itself. Inside, there's a VOOC Flash 3.0 charger that tops up the battery with 20 watts fast charging. Then there's the instantly recognizable VOOC USB-C power cable with the green tips. Inside the envelope is a TPU silicone case that fits well in the phone, protecting it from damage. You also get a document needed to claim warranty and a user guide inside. The TPU case fits well with the phone and protects it from damage. The Oppo F15 does look good in the hand. You can see the gradient colors of the unicorn white variant. It also looks quite premium. The phone runs on ColorOS 7 and is quite fast and snappy. So that was a quick look at what you get in the box of the Oppo F15. Thanks for watching.